What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Gifted Hands, back to you with another video. He is up for the 5-minute challenge. You think I can cut your hair in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
You think I can really cut your hair in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
You trust me? I'm gonna need you to work with me, okay? We're gonna try to do our best to finish this haircut in 5 minutes. Whatever's left at the end, detail work, line up, whatever's left over, we'll make sure you take care of you, okay? But I'm gonna see what I can get done in 5 minutes. Alright, let's get my phone. I am going to put my phone right over there, and I'm gonna have the timer on. We'll do stopwatch, that way I can see it, y'all can see it, I'm not gonna mess with it. We're gonna put it right over here. 5-minute challenge, man. Shout out to my boy Concise The Barber for dishing out this challenge. Challenge is accepted. I don't know what I can do in 5 minutes, but he has faith in me, and we're gonna see what we can get done. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Houston, we have a problem.
5 minutes and 3 seconds. I feel like I got pretty much all the way through, besides the lineup, a little bit of detail. There's some lines in there. I didn't, bald out the bottom. Dude, cutting hair in 5 minutes. Cutting hair in 5 minutes. That was quick. I couldn't do it though. I failed. Matt Gibson has failed the 5-minute challenge, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up this cut, detail it, and I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like afterwards. Let's go. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video, man. So this is me just basically brushing up whatever I did in 5 minutes. Cutting hair in 5 minutes, honestly I thought it was going to be a lot easier until I started cutting. In the video it looks like I'm cutting pretty slow, but I felt like I was moving pretty fast. I even kind of developed like a sweat. Because I don't know, it might have been just some nerves too, but this is me just basically going over what I did in 5 minutes. I got the one guard on there. Now let me go ahead and use this as content, because this sometimes happen in the barbershop where you come in and you get a client, they got a messed up haircut or try to cut their own hair, so then you have lines all over the place. Me as a professional barber cutting hair for 7.5 years going on 8, I kind of know where numbers are at just by eyeing the blend, and I could pretty much fix a haircut if it has lines in it. But what I started off doing was a one open, because if I want to create myself a nice gradiency in my blend, I want to make sure that I start with a higher guard, because if I start with a higher guard and it doesn't cut, then I can work my way down. That's kind of like a trick that I like to use. I always start with the lever open. I always start with the higher guard, because if it doesn't cut, then I can work my way down. Again, I went from a 1.5 guard to a 1 guard open, and now I'm just blending down. I don't blend up, I'm just brushing up whatever I left behind. Now this is my half guard, and again starting with the lever open, because if I would have started with the lever closed and then started cutting, I can create a bald spot or a lighter spot, or potentially raise my blend, which I don't want to do. And as far as like the 5-minute challenge, guys, I could have easily gave him an undercut. I could have easily took a one straight up to the top of his crown of his head, blended down, and knocked out a ball fade. But I wanted gradiency. I wanted light, medium to dark. I wanted a blend. I don't want a disconnected haircut. So going from long, medium to short hair, going from short to medium to long hair up top, that's difficult versus doing an undercut. So I wanted that gradiency and I wanted that blend, so I didn't want to take my guard all the way up and make a disconnected haircut. I wanted to challenge myself for the 5 minutes that was given to me, so I got done what I got done in 5 minutes, and honestly the challenge defeated me. I failed. I didn't even get to the lineup. I didn't even get to balding out. Maybe I'm just so used to cutting hair within 30 minutes or something like that, or just paying attention to detail and a quality haircut. I don't know. I guess I can't cut fast anymore. I used to, but this was a dope challenge. Definitely stepping out of your comfort zone, especially if this is like a day in the shop, which this was probably like my third to last haircut of the day. So I was already drained a little bit, but I got it done. No excuse. The challenge defeated me. I didn't get all the way through, but I got done what I got done in 5 minutes. And now I'm just brushing up my blend, making sure everything is nice and well blended, no lines, and now I'm giving a quality haircut just like I would do in a day-to-day basis. Notice how I'm using a lot of the corners as well to detail, get rid of dark spots. This is just something that you can develop as a barber over time, which is the eye. If you don't have the eye for barbering, if you don't have the eye for a line or a blend or a dark spot, that's something that you just develop with time, just like cutting hair in 30 minutes. It takes time, it takes practice. This is me just freehanding the top of his hair, making sure it's all even. I'm prepping the front for a lineup, but I want to put a design in there first. Now we're just showing out. Now we're just doing the extra stuff. Yes, I capped in the thumbnail. It's a little bit of clickbait, but it's all good, man. Like, I wanted to have fun with this. This is a dope challenge. Keep them coming. Concise the Barber, man. Shout out to you for creating this 5-minute challenge and dishing this out to the YouTube barbers. I appreciate you rocking the gear, man. Shout out to you, bro, for the support. Team Gifted. All right, y'all, let's bring this haircut to life with the front lineup. Keeping it pretty natural. There is a little bit of cosmetic right here. I do have to cut back on the corners just to make a nice vertical bar on the side. That way it's a detailed lineup. That's the only way if I feel like I need to make a cosmetic lineup. There wasn't no hair in the front to create a full vertical bar, so I'm doing what I need to do, keeping it proportionate to his head shape. It's not a pushback. Don't be crazy in the comment section. And notice how I'm bracing my fingers on his forehead. If he moves or jolts, sneezes, coughs, whatever, I have a safety point to where I can pull back my trimmer and I don't create a pushback lineup or a bald spot. Look at that blend though. Alright, y'all, so I didn't finish a full haircut in 5 minutes, but I detailed, cleaned it up, and this is what we got done in about 20 minutes, y'all. Obviously, a haircut like this is gonna take time, but woo, clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Man, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Shout out to Concise The Barber for dishing out this challenge. It's a dope challenge, man. 5 minutes to do, 5 minutes to cut hair is quick. For me, this is a haircut, in the shop, day-to-day basis. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let's get this channel to 100K. Thank you, buddy, for letting me record this video on you.
Hello, YouTube.
All right, y'all. Team Gifted. Stay gifted.